so that whatever I am telling, you can listen. So let me call out the names who are in the class right now. Okay, let me read out their names. So first of all of you, play your video so that I can see your face. Those who have not played their video, they have to play their video. Otherwise, you will be removed. You play your video so that I can see your face. Okay, so first of all, let me know till which chapter I have completed in offline classes. Molly, you tell me.
So fill in the blanks. Chapter 1.
Chapter 1 fills in the blanks only, you tell me.
That's the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Completed.
Okay, when offline classes was going on, so there was a sequence of odd and even. So what was your sequence, odd or even, Molly?
The odd.
Odd. And Pragati Khaitan?
Sir, odd.
Odd, okay. Anyone, please raise your hand. Those who are following even, I can ask the even students also, so that I could know. Okay, Garima Yadav is there, then Aditya. So let me unmute at least one student. Garima, first play your video. Those who have raised their hand, play their video. Rashi Kumar is also here. Okay, Shal Sinha, let me unmute Shal Sinha. Shama Surya also. Shal Sinha, unmute yourself. Shal Sinha, I have given you access. Are you listening? Speak out. Shal Sinha, are you listening? Okay, then let me unmute Isha Maran. Shal Sinha is not listening. Isha Maran, Isha Maran, unmute yourself. Isha B. Maran, unmute yourself. Isha. Molly, let me know if my voice clarity is good or not. Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Molly and Pragati Khaitan. Are you not listening? Pragati Khaitan.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay, so whatever I will ask, you need to reply. Otherwise, I will think that you are not listening. So, Jisha Marandi, unmute yourself. Jisha Marandi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are following even sequence. You are even now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me in even classes, till where I have completed, till which page number I have completed, what I have done with exercises.
5 chapter. 1 to 5.
Page number you tell me. Can you tell me page number?
Page number 9. We have completed.
Till page number 9 I have completed in even classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually I do not have book with me, so it would be a little bit difficult to me to teach you. So I want among anyone, among you, among anyone, send me the picture of that exercises of class one of chapter one only. Send me anyone. So I am telling Shreya Gupta. Shreya Gupta, you send the exercises photographs on my WhatsApp. Just now I'll check it. Shreya Gupta, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Can you send me the photos of chapter one exercises on my WhatsApp? I will check it now.
Chapter 1 completed.
I am asking, send me chapter 1 exercises photos. Chapter 1 exercises photos you send, fill in the blanks and all those question answer pages. Photos you send me, I will check it now because I do not have book with me. Okay, Mayank has sent me. Okay, then let Mayank send on. You can send Mayank. Okay, this is page number 22. I think fill in the blanks and all those things have been done. Those they are very easy in even classes. In even classes, which sequences you were following, Shreya Gupta, even or odd? Shreya Gupta, which sequences you are following, even or odd?
Even.
Even. So in even, till which page number I have completed?
21 till completed.
But question answer is not been completed. Question answer, fill in the blanks.
No, sir.
Okay, then let us begin. Now stop sending me. Everybody has started sending. Islam and only one sent. Adya Shakti also has sent. Only one of you sent. That is enough. Okay, so let us begin. Let me open the book on the screen so that we can write. And all of you have to say the correct answers. Okay, I will type answers. Molly Singh, Pragati Khitan, Shreya Gupta, and who are unmuted, Jisha B. Marandi. All of you have to say correct answers. Let me open the book on the screen. Just now has sent. Short answer first will complete. Let me open the book on this. Okay. I'm sharing. Okay, now Adya Shakti also has sent. Ambika Mittal also has sent. So let me open any one of the book. So we'll begin from this one. And let me name Harshit, Arav Kumar, Harshit and Arav Kumar, right? The name of Harshit and Arav Kumar, Yash Kumar, Alok Kumar, Harshit, Arav Kumar, Alok Kumar, Yash Kumar, and Prachi Priya. All of them are drawing on the screen. When school will reopen, I will beat them. They will get a stick. I have called out their name also. Aditya Raj also. Aditya Raj also. Their name is being flashed here. No, their name is visible, those who are drawing. They will get a stick. I am telling you. Their name is visible. I am just reading out their name. Who are doing? 5 names I have called out. 5 names I have called out. When school will reopen, I will take them to principal. And you will not get marks in my subject. I will put 0, those who are drawing. I have called out their name also. I have called out their names also. I have called out 5 students' name and I am recording this video also. So your name already has been called out. So let us begin from here. First question is written, define circulatory system. So we'll begin from here. Otherwise, rest of the fill in the blanks and following all are very, very easy. But let us begin from here, from fill in the blank. So tell me the first answer. The blood from the heart, is it transported to all parts of the body by the, tell me answer. Molly Singh, Pragati Khetan, Jisha B.
Blood
Maharani.
vessels.
What would be the answer?
Blood vessels.
Blood vessels. Okay, you're right. Everybody write blood vessels here. I am writing answer here so that everybody can write. Okay, second number, hemoglobin is present in dash cells. What would be the answer?
Red blood cell.
Hemoglobin is present in red blood cells. Tell me the correct answers because I have explained the theory in a very proper way. So no one should make any mistake. I am just asking answer and all of you have to write the correct answer. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. What is the correct answer? Tell me.
The capillary.
Capillaries.
Yes, sir.
Those who are unmuted, they need to reply. Okay. I have unmuted Pragati Khetan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have unmuted you. Then Molly Singh. Where is Molly Singh? Molly Singh is not here. Molly Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How do you mute yourself when I have unmuted? Keep yourself unmuted.
Mic is muted by my side.
And I am asking question. All of you need to say answer so that everybody could write the answer, correct answer. Okay. Number 4. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called. What is the correct answer?
Heartbeat.
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 Correct. Function. What is it? 5 number. Dash helps the heart to function properly.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Yes, right. Everybody exercise. Let me repeat again. Tell me first answer. First fill in the blank answer. Only the blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the. What is the correct answer?
Blood vessel.
Okay, blood vessels. Then hemoglobin is presented in dash cells. What is the second answer?
Red blood cell.
Very good. Those who are unmuted, they need to reply. Jisha B. Marandi, you also have to reply. Okay. I have unmuted 4 students and all of you have to say correct answers. Because in the class, I have explained theory in a very proper way, not classes and even classes also. So now it's your turn to tell the correct answers. Afterwards, I will conduct a class test on chapter 1, online class. I will prepare the question that I will let you know afterwards. First, let us complete this one. Okay, arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. What is the correct answer?
Capillaries.
Arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. What is the correct answer? Tell me.
Capillaries.
Capillaries. Pragati Khitan. Molly Singh. Okay, let me unmute then someone else because I am asking Mantasa Mukhtar. You unmute yourself, Mantasa Mukhtar. Mantasa. Are you listening, Mantasa? Mantasa Mukhtar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I am asking, you need to say correct answer. Okay, Islay also, you also can unmute Islay. Okay, Islay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, say correct answer. Number third, arteries and veins are joined by a network of.
Capillaries.
Very good. Number four, the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called.
Heartbeat.
Very good. Number five, dash helps the heart to function properly.
Exercise.
Very good. Now come to match the following column. Column number A is written circulation. So where will you match? A, B, C, D. Where will you match? Circulation. Largest blood part, a pumping organ, RBC, vessels for transport and movement of fluids. Where will you match? But I made you understand in the class, you don't understand. Say correct answers and quickly. Nobody has said till now. Molly Singh, say correct answer. And why do you mute yourself again and again in spite of filling again and again? Molly Singh. Two Molly Singhs are there. Pragati Khan, are you listening? Why do you mute
Yes, sir.
yourself? Why do you mute yourself? I am
Sir, my network is cut.
okay, your network is not good. Okay, tell me.
Sir, only
Match the following answer, tell me. Circulation. Where is it match? Circulation. Islay Raj, unmute yourself.
Sir, circulation movement of materials.
Okay, you keep yourself unmuted, okay? You don't mute. When I will tell you, then you have to mute. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then number two, arteries and veins. Number two, arteries and veins.
Sir, vessels for transport in humans.
Plasma.
Largest part of blood.
Carrier of oxygen. Carrier of oxygen.
RBCs. RBCs.
Okay, red blood. Heart. Number five, heart.
A pumping organ.
Okay, now we have question and answer. First question is then define circulatory system. This is very short answer. Okay. So tell me the answer of define circulatory system.
The organ system that transports
and other
nutrients, gases, and other substances to all different parts of our body is called circulatory system.
Okay, only one student will tell so that I can write in a proper way. Okay, display only you say. The organ system
That transport nutrients, gases, and other substances of our body is called circulatory system.
that transport nutrients, comma,
Gases,
gases, gases and the organ system that transport nutrients, gases and tell me. Islay Raj, you are not listening.
yes, sir.
I am telling, say it again, the organ system that transports different gases and
other substances to different parts of our body is called to different parts of our body.
to different parts of our body
Our body
is
is called
called
circulatory system.
very good.
Circulatory system.
Understood? Any problem?
No,
This,
sir.
this question I made you learn in the class only, na? Did I make it?
Yes.
Yes. So today I will ask only question and all of you have to say answer only. Then I will write answer. And if you will tell wrong answer, then I will ask why did you say wrong answer. Now question number 2. What is blood? Tell me answer. Display Raj.
Yes, sir.
What is blood? Next question.
Carbon dioxide to various parts of the
Blood
body.
is a blood is a red colored liquid that carries nutrients, oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide to various parts of body through the blood vessels. Is called blood.
Blood is a red colored. I am typing also. So
Colored
say it
liquid
slowly. Colored liquid. Okay, colored liquid
that carries
that carries
nutrients, oxygen,
nutrients,
oxygen,
oxygen. Okay,
water,
water
and
and
carbon dioxide
and carbon dioxide. Say answer. Display Raj.
To various of the body. To various parts of the body through the blood vessels.
Okay, to various parts of our body. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Tell me answer number 3.
This prevents excess loss of blood.
What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood?
This prevents excess loss of blood.
You are saying only in one line. You have to explain what will happen if there are no platelets in the blood. Your answer is not in a proper way. Make your answer, then tell. Then I will say that whether it is correct or not. Isle Raj, where is Isle Raj? Isle Raj, unmute yourself. Isle Raj.
Sir, if plasma will not what?
No, what will happen if there are no platelets in the blood?
Sir, if there are no sir, if there are no platelets in the blood, we will we will not able to prevent excess loss of blood.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, let me write. Say it now slowly, slowly. If we will,
Sir, if platelets will
let's, okay, 1 minute.
If there are no platelets in the
Platelets
blood,
will,
not
hmm,
in our body,
not in our body,
then we
will नहीं होगा यहाँ पे if platelets are not will नहीं होगा if
I will
platelets
check the
are
answer afterwards. Let him say, I will check the answer afterwards. You don't interfere. I will check answer afterwards. Now let me write on. I will check afterwards. If platelets will not in our body, then
we will not able to
say it, not able to prevent.
prevent excess loss of blood.
in the
Sir, we will not prevent excessive loss of blood.
Excess and excessive also you can write. Both you can write. There is no problem in that. Excessive also you can write and excess also you can write. So
Okay, sir.
now let me check the question number 4. What are arteries? Question number 4 is written, what are arteries?
यही सब पहले यहाँ तक क्या
Tell me someone answer number 4. What are arteries? Say it answer. Display.
Arteries carry oxygen rich or oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs.
Arteries carry rich oxygenated blood away from the heart to different organs. Arteries lie deep inside the body parts.
Not like that. Two students will not say at a time. Only one student will say so that I can write in the proper way. Only Kisler are you say. Now tell me.
Arteries carry oxygen. Arteries carry oxygen rich or oxygenated. Arteries carry oxygen.
Sir, Molly is having network problem.
Okay, then you say, Kisler are you say arteries carry oxygen.
Or oxygenated blood. Rich or oxygenated blood.
Molly, you are facing network problems, so let Kisler say. Let Kisler say because whatever he is saying, I am listening in a proper way. So Kisler you say. You say?
Arteries carry oxygen
Okay.
rich
or
oxygenated blood
okay, one oxygenated blood
away from
yes,
the heart
away from the heart
to different organs.
Okay.
Sir, full stop.
Okay, very good. Now we have question number 5. What is question number 5? Read out, Kisleraj.
Which side of heart has oxygen-rich blood and which side has carbon dioxide rich in blood?
You need to say the answer, okay? You know answer.
No, sir. These questions I can't say, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will write that question, but I am not having book today. So, Kislaraj, what you need to do? You have to send me all the pictures of means theory page number 1 to Kislaraj first unmute yourself. Why do you do? And we are having
Sir,
only
I will
6
say.
minutes. No, listen now. We are having only 6 minutes or 5 minutes 57 seconds. Means after 5 minutes class will end. So rest of the questions is long answer questions and these questions will carry in our next class. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me tell you that after completing chapter 1, I will take a test on chapter 1. I will arrange a test on chapter 1. I will prepare an online test. Then I will prepare a game video also on these question and answer fill in the blanks and exercises what I have just now told you. And all of you have to reply in that after completing chapter 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
keep studying at home. And Kisla Raj, only you send me chapter 1 and chapter 2, all the pages, because in next classes I'm gonna start chapter 2 also. So you send me only 2 chapters, all pages. Take the snapshot, take the photos, and send me on my WhatsApp. Only Kisla Raj, not all students. Otherwise, all of you will send. So my RAM will be, filled up. There will be no place in my mobile. All of you don't need to say, only Kisla Raj will send. Take a good picture. Take a
Sir,
good.
I'm going to. Sir, this question.
First, you listen. After ending the class, we have to send chapter 1 and chapter 2. All the pages, photos. Understood? Kisla Raj, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have only 4 minutes. Why is there Mr. Raj? Let me talk to him. I will talk. I would talk to him because one day I found him on the train when I was returning from Kolkata. Mr. Raj. Mr. Raj is not here. Okay. Just now I had seen him, but he is not here. Okay, no problem. So in our next classes, I will continue the long question and answer. Okay, Pragati Khaitan?
Yes, sir.
And keep learning also, all of you, whoever in the class, let me call out all of them their names so that recording is going on. Their name also will be recorded also. And those who have drawn on the screen, their name also has been recorded. Now we have in the class Rudra, Simran Sanjay, Prachi Kumari, Sairaj, Aditya Sharan, Harshit R, then others, then Sama Shaurya, Mayank Keshri, Priyanshu Kumar, Tanmay, Rishika, Utsav Raj, Abhinav, Richa, Ansh Kumar, Mauli Singh, Abhinav Jaydev, Pragati Khitan, Aradhana Chaudhary. Then after that we have Diksha Kumari, Kriti Anand, Mit Shivam, Riya Kumari, Disha Vimaran, Riya Kumari, Rudra Pavan, Garima Sharma, Mayank Singh, Rishi Bharti, Disha Vimaran, Rishika Kumari, Prachi Kumari, Adamya Vaibhav, then Soumya Rupta, Riya Marudia, Mantasa Mukhtar, Kumar Vaibhav, Shail Sinha, then Aditya Raj, Sushant Kumar, Raunak Yadav, Abhinav Raj, Aditya Rajki, Rajit Kumar, Divyansh Patel, Adya Shakti, Tanya Shri, Aditya Ki, Divyanshu Kumar, Anand N, Anand 4A. 4A, why you have written Anand 4A? Ayush 5C, Shreya Gupta, Krishna Tekriwal, Dipanshu, and Dharya Gupta, Aditya Raj, Kumar Vaibhav, Aryan Raj. Those whose name are left that I could not say, means only 3 or 5 students are left actually. So we'll meet in our next classes. So keep studying GSC in a proper way because I will prepare an online test. Okay, Kisleraj, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
I am telling to all students, I will conduct an online test on chapter 1. So all of you have to prepare in a very nice way. In the same way, just as I had made you understand in the class, in the offline class, all the theory in the same way, you have to learn all the question and answer, fill in the blanks, true, false, whatever is, what has happened, Pragati Pita?
Sir, question answer 3 number we have to write in copy.
Yes, whatever I have written, all the question answer, you have to write down in your CW copy. And homework is that all of you have to learn. Now we'll meet in our next classes. Only 30 seconds is left. Okay, bye everybody. Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Everybody.
sir.
I am unmuting to each and everybody. Okay, I am unmuting all so that you can say also bye. Okay, bye everybody. I have unmuted everybody.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir. 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 Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Come to unmute and say bye. Bye, sir.
All thanks, guys. Right.